My mother was abroad, for 15 years from a 8-year-old. You know what I mean? And she come back at Jamaica in a 2010. She left in a 95. She come back in a 2010. Them time them me a big man and something. And it was really a joy. You know, it was a surreal feeling at the beginning, and then it's just like just that feel. It's a feeling where you can't really describe. Like not having your mother around you for so much years, and then knowing say she dead around you now. You can see her all the time, and we can sit down and reason and talk and them stuff there. You know what I mean? And was very nice, very nice. 2010 onwards, and but as we say, life can play some wicked um joke by you. Is what I say is like because in a 2010 when my mother come, 2 years after that, in a 2012, then me get my opportunity to then migrate from Jamaica. You understand? And when me get the opportunity there, it was kind of a bittersweet kind of a feeling. Cause me never at the time me never have no youth and them thing there, you know what I mean? And may I say yeah, may I get the opportunity go overseas, can go work and help my mother more and thing, you understand? But then it's like it is such a crazy thing if say 2 years after my mother come back from living overseas, 2 years later now, then me have to then leave her and go live overseas. So it was a bit it was a very bittersweet feeling. You know what I mean? And that was the hardest thing for me when me I left Jamaica, you know what I mean? Because I'm even sit down and me tell my mother too, and me I tell her, me I say, John was look at, you just come back and me enjoy time with you, and you can't really make up back for them time that way you lose, but you try for, build that connection again. And then now it have to me gone somewhere else again. And me even said to her, say, boy, sometimes I just wonder maybe God I tell me say me and you just not to be together. You know what I mean? And she always tell me say, boy, I'm not to talk like that, but them things they will come in your mind and them things they you understand, cause me I say Janu. It's like every time I look, something happen for me and my mother separate. So that was the hardest thing for me when me get my opportunity to migrate from Jamaica. That was the hardest thing. You know what I mean? Having to now get back my mother and they run her, and then having to leave her again. You know what I mean? So that was the most difficult thing for me. And me say, people, me and my mother, I'm my best friend, and me and her are very close. So fortunately, a modern time now, so we could have still call each other and communicate, video call and them something there. And she get visa, she could have come and until now, today day now, we finally reunite again because me end up then file for her now, and then she come now live with me. You know what I mean? So me and my mother relationship is such a crazy relationship, you understand? And just over the years from your youth coming up. You know what I mean? So that me want to share with the people, you know what I mean? Just that a lot of people have certain when people get the opportunity to left Jamaica, everybody have a particular thing or a particular situation where it was very hard for them to leave. You know, some people are them kids, some people are them parents, some people are them partner. You know what I mean? But for me, the hardest thing for me when I left Jamaica was leaving my mother behind. You know what I mean? Just knowing, say, it was just 2 years ago she finally come back. You know what I mean? So Pana channel I will just try to, share life stories. You know what I mean? And everybody just, cause everybody have a story. You know what I mean? So if you have any similar stories or what it is that was the hardest thing for you when you were left Jamaica, so drop it in the comments and share it with the community. And bless up on yourself, people, and much love and respect again for the support to the channel. And until the next video, bless.